To show you this WORX PowerShare. When you talk about PowerShare, it's basically all their batteries are interchangeable. This is a 20-volt, 22-inch hedge trimmer. It's nice and light. It's got good torque. Pretty much can cut through anything. I like the gaps up here. Allow you to get nice cuts on bigger items. Here I've got some weeping cherries here, getting a little long. Got full control. If you're one of those that like to shape your shrubs, this would be a great tool because it's very precise, lightweight, like I said, easy to use, and durable. I love the WORX products. Numerous videos, chainsaw, lawn mowers, blowers, weed whackers. So check out this WORX 22-inch, 20-volt hedge trimmer. I love the WORX products. They've been durable. I'm going on a total of 3 years with different products, and all of them are still running. The PowerShare batteries, you get a lot of longevity out of these. I have not had any go bad yet over the course of 3 years.